Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to use Spotify abroad. If you are going to abroad or you're planning to travel and you have a Spotify account, it's very important for you to know how to use your Spotify abroad. Okay, first and first, you must have a Spotify account if you want to use your Spotify. If you want to use your Spotify when you travel abroad. Then the next thing is if you are in abroad already and you wish to still use your Spotify account, what you just have to do is simple. Tap on your profile, it will bring you to this step. After opening your app, then tap on this edit profile here, the way I just did now. Okay, all my details are there. Then in your country or region, what you have to do is simple. Just tap on it. I'm in Nigeria, but when you travel abroad, it will change. It's not going to be only Nigeria. You just have to tap on your country and region. It will signify the country you are, and when it signify, you change it. So, guys, that is it on how to change your how to use your Spotify when you travel abroad. Just change the country or region, and that way you'll be able to have access to your Spotify anywhere in the world that you are. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and leave all your comments in the comment section because I'll always be ready to answer your questions.